Hi guys, in front of me is OnePlus Nord 6 and let me show you how to add Google account to this device. So at first, let's enroll the settings. Then find and select accounts and backup, or actually users and accounts in that case, and here select add account. Meanwhile, make sure that you are connected to Wi-Fi, then choose Google, enter your fingerprint, and now provide your email address or phone number, whatever is connected with your account. As only it is entered, it's time to provide the password. And as only it is entered, just mark next. Now mark if you will be using this device or your keyrow, select next, tap on I agree, more, accept, and that's it, that would be all. So as you can see, your account is added, you can smoothly use it. Thank you for watching, please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.